The first thing we need to do is install the necessary packages. The first one being the main NuGet package, tools, and the design package. Now that all the necessary packages have been installed, we can configure the app context. This app DbContext file is going to inherit from the DbContext. All right, let's set up the constructor. I'll set up my first DB set while I'm here. The first DB set is going to be the person class, and I will just give it 2 properties. At this point, I can set up the DB set with the person class. At this point, I can configure the connection string to Postgres. Make note of the default connection property because that is a property name that I will need to wire up the app. I can wire up the app by going to the program CS file and adding this line of code indicating the name, which is the default connection name I mentioned earlier. At this point, we can add the first migration. Now I can update the database, and that will do it.